Here's the deal on preseason storms. Since 2003, and by the way, you're exactly right, hurricane season starts Monday, June 1st, and we usually wait for that because we need warm water for the season to kind of develop and these tropical systems to take place. Now, preseason storms, we've had 3 of them since, this will be the 4th since 2003. So we know that we need warm water. Let's talk a little bit about this system and what it means, by the way. We're looking in the Atlantic. It is a little warmer than normal, but there's a very narrow ribbon of very warm water that curves up the coastline. It's called the Gulf Stream. Gets to the Carolinas and then goes out into the Atlantic, and that's exactly the path that this tropical depression is following, Tropical Depression 1. Now, here's the idea on what happens with this storm. We'll follow this thing. It's going to dissipate out in the colder waters of the Atlantic. It had a chance to develop a little bit, probably won't develop anymore. And the idea on the season count here, the Hurricane Center says these preseason storms have nothing to do with how many storms there are in the season, but is it a coincidence? And I'll tell you that every one of these, and you look at 2003, we had a preseason storm, 2007, 2008, and each one of those seasons was a little bit higher, if not a lot higher than normal on the hurricane count. And the forecast for this year is the fact that we'll be somewhere near the average mark.